Okay, line dancing lessons, so exciting, my favorite. Okay, so this first line dance we're gonna do is to Save a Horse, Ride a Cowboy, which is a really fun song, super easy. So I'm gonna face the wall, so that way you can see my right leg and my left leg. So for this one, your first moves are gonna be, you're gonna step right, left, right. So your first 3 moves, you're gonna go right, left, right. So 3 steps, so right, left, right, and from here you're going to take your left leg and kick forward and bring it back. And then you're going to go back left, back right, back left, back right. So you're basically walking forward, kicking, walking back. So with your right, starting with your right foot, you go right, left, right, kick, back, back, back. So you should have your weight on your left foot. And from here you're going to turn left. And when you turn left, you're going to do the same thing again. So right, left, right, kick, back, 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 turn. I'm going to do that twice. So I'll do that from the beginning. Okay, starting with your right foot. Right, left, right, kick, back, 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 turn. Right, left, right, kick, back, 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 turn. Okay, it's like half the song. So the second part, once you turn, you're going to take your right foot and you're going to tap twice across your body, like this. 1, 2. And you're going to do the same thing with your left foot. 1, 2. And then lastly, you're going to scuff your boot once each way. So scuff, scuff. And then the last part is you're going to turn left. And since it's like Save a Horse, Ride a Cowboy, you can do this, or you can just turn left. So we'll do the whole thing again from the top. So starting with your right foot, you go right, left, right, kick, back, 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 turn, right, left, right, kick, back, 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 turn, tap, 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 scuff, scuff, turn, left. Okay, so we'll do it with music. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, right, left, right, kick, back, 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 turn, right, left, right, kick, back, 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 turn, tap, 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 scuff, scuff, and turn left. Start over. Right, left, right, kick, back, 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 turn, right, left, right, kick, back, 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 turn, tap, 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 scuff, scuff, and turn left. And it kills and it thrills like a horn on my Silverado grill. And I find the bar jumping around the town, and everybody's getting down in this town. Ain't never gonna be the same. And you just keep going.